Okay, what I'm going to do here is show you how to create a new app on Salesforce Lightning. So from the home page, you want to click on the gear icon and click on Setup. As that opens in a new tab, we'll use the quick find box on the left and just search for App Manager. So underneath apps, once you click on that, it will bring up all the apps that you've already got, both the classic and the Lightning versions. But to do a new app for Lightning, we'll click New Lightning App, and from here you'll just want to name it whatever you want it to be named. That'll automatically fill the developer name, and then you can change a few things, sort of like the branding, and put a description in if you like, but I'm going to leave it just as this for the moment. Again, you can change certain things here, but I'm just going to leave it as is. Same with this. And now the navigation items, these are another word for the tabs. You could just change it and put the different ones that you want in. You'll see they're all down here, and you can sort of add them in nice and easily just like that. So just put the ones that you want to be in there, or that you can add them in later as well. And then it's just a case of who do you want to have access to it as well. So you could make it accessible to everyone, or it could be more specific. But once you've decided that, you just click save and finish. And then it's as simple as that. The app has been created.